Introducing the MATCH MFA4T Mechanical Flange Alignment Tool, designed to safely raise, lower, and precisely align misaligned flange joints. Remember, safety comes first. Therefore, before use, put on appropriate personal protective equipment: gloves, goggles, protective clothing. Here we can see the problem: the flanges are misaligned. Before starting work, make sure that the flange connection matches the parameters of the MFA4T. The flanges and pipes are not damaged, and there is a minimum of 30 millimeters clearance between the flanges. Then, check the tool and all its components to ensure they are in good working condition, including torque wrench, which is used to actuate the tool. Please ensure the operator is familiar with its use. Find the point of maximum misalignment between flanges and insert the tool's hook in the nearest bolt hole. Ensure the tool is attached to the lower of the two flanges. Extend the drop leg until it rests on the pipe. Secure it with the ratchet strap around the pipe, maintaining the tool level at all times. Extend the wing until the foot is in line with the opposite flange and actuate the bolt screw, first by hand and the rest with torque wrench. Starting with a low torque setting, actuate clockwise to tighten it. Always ensure the tool sits square and the hook is fully inserted in the bolt hole. Work your way up the torque wrench settings, but never exceeding the tool's safe working load of 4 tons at 68 Newton meters. When working with flanges, different misalignments can occur. The most common is a centerline offset, also known as lateral misalignment. This can occur at any point around the circumference of the flange joint, not just up or down. If the misalignment is greatest at the 4 o'clock position, as seen in the example, the tool should be attached there. If this is not possible for any reason, move the tool 180 degrees around the flange joint to the 10 o'clock position, where the misalignment will be the same. Another type of misalignment is rotational bolt hole misalignment. To fix this, first attach the tool to one side and align it until one of the bolt holes is aligned. Then, the bolt can be inserted into it. Next, attach the tool to the flange at the point of greatest misalignment and actuate it until all the bolt holes are aligned. Back to our maintenance. After completing work, slide the bolts in to secure the position of the flanges and perform all steps in reverse order. Good job! Now you know how to use MATCH Mechanical Flange Alignment Tool. Safety match tools are best tools.